So sit comfortably. Just breathe deep and breathe out whatever is discomforting you in your body, in your mind, in the field of energy. Whatever it's not comfortable, let it go through your breath. At least maybe 10 intentional deep breathing and letting go out. Every exhalation, let it go out, whatever uncomfortable thing is, and gradually rest deeper. Just for a moment, reflect in your life, current life, personal life, what you'd say personal, and current life, life that you're living in this moment. A pattern in which you put a lot of effort. In work, in relationship, or even well-being. Or trying to be happy, or trying to have peace. At least be aware of three things. Because probably there are many things, but I want you to be aware of three, the most important things. It could be in your work, it could be in your relationship, it could be in your whatever, personal life. It could be your practice. Three, please. Or maybe up to five, please. Since informal practice we are saying 5 times, you can maybe think about 5 places. That which you repeat every day. Some cases it's scary, so many times. Just be aware. And learn not to judge, but simply be aware. Awareness knows but doesn't judge. Judgment judges but doesn't know. Probably for some of you it's a little difficult to make sense of know and not judge. Know bad things and not judge, but just at least judge less. Be aware. Three to five things. Pick one of them, the strongest one. Just recognize. My struggle in traffic. My struggle with my boss. My struggle in relationship. And we are not talking general, we are not talking past, we are not talking future, we are talking which is happening right now in your life. Be aware like a torch showing on the object in the darkness. When you show the torch on the object in the darkness, you see it. You see the right side of it, you see the left side of it, you see the top, you see the bottom, you see the detail, you see the color, you see the shape. You're seeing more and more and feeling more and more what it is. So much effort. Hoping for something right, but coming out something what you don't wish. You don't recognize that, but you still put effort. Recognize that. Draining yourself and draining others. Recognize that. As in the middle of recognition, just deep breathe out. Breathe out. Let go of that effort. Let go of that effort. Let completely go of that effort. Rest in trust. Trust in this resting space. Rest. Rest effortlessly. Rest joyfully. Rest with warmth. As you're resting, you're not draining. You're recovering. As you're resting, you're reconnecting. As you continue the resting is matures more, you're discovering qualities. Qualities like joy, love, peace that you were looking for with effort, now you're discovering them without effort. Trust that. You're committed to this awareness. You respect this awareness. You trust this awareness. You're committed to this awareness. That's why we say, I take refuge in this body of light, referring to that awareness. We will do dedication together. Chane sola denjen toba shogo son nyando yeshe jeba sho to son dane ko son toba sho Ranje Done Yela Pemba Sho. May I attain great confidence in three refugees. May my experience and realization of wisdom of three door increase. In purifying three poisons, may I obtain three bodies. In liberating my own beings, may I benefit others. Trust this dedication. More you feel free in yourself, more freedom you will give to others. More joy you feel in yourself, more joy you will be able to give to others. But keeping pain, trying to give joy, not possible. Be aware of that. You're committed to awareness.